Oi! First of all, pseudocode. You know, I made an introduction about the series. If you want to see that first, you can click the link. I don't know where it's going to be. But now we are going to talk about pseudocode. You know, this is something you will see a lot. It's actually a design for your program, and of course you have different levels of design. Let's look at it like this. If you want to build a house, you're not just building it. No, you're first thinking about it. You first draw the house, or an architect does that, and the better the design, the better the house. So the better the pseudocode, the better your code. Yes, it's all that simple. Now, how to make pseudocode? Well, it's with a piece of paper and a pen. And you thought programming looked like this.
Why would I want to take down the net?
Nope, more like this.
No ideas. Useless, empty brain.
Okay, how do you design something? First thing, what you normally do is you think and you say what your program has to do. Now at the beginning, you write this down. It will be very handy. When you are more advanced and you did the writing down, then you can choose if you keep doing it or not. But I recommend you do it at the beginning, because it's very handy. Then you specify more and more about the functionality, and more and more and more, until you know every detail. Yes, it's normal text and it's understandable by everybody living. And it's always good to write it in comments. Every programming language has the ability to write comments. You know, comments that are the thing that got ignored by the computer, but you can write your pseudocode in it, because the computer will not look at it, but you will. You will love the fact that you have wrote pseudocode before programming, because it makes it way more easy. And pseudocode is what I'm normally going to give as examples for this series, and some real examples for programming language. But this series is about logic, and pseudocode is where the logic happens. Now, here's a secret. Everybody who understands the logic can code way better. So, if you are very excited to make pseudocode or real code, if you are very excited to follow this series and go along and learn the next time about variables, click the subscribe button. If you like it, the like button. If you disliked it, the dislike button. And leave in the comments below what I can do better. Or did you ever wrote some pseudocode? What was it like? Give tips? Share this. Thank you for watching.